Geeks and gamers, welcome to a brand new episode of QL Geeks. And this one's a little bit different. This is our first ever episode of QL Geeks Unboxed Edition. So I spent my entire budget on a brand new desk, which means I need to fill this desk with something. We're going to be reviewing games, box sets, any cool collectibles that are available in Qatar. And you know what's up first? We have got some awesome box sets from the guys at Geekay Games. So let's take a look. Basil, geek me. First up is the Wooooo Edition of WWE2k19. This is an exclusive product available only at Geekay Games. We're gonna unbox this baby and see what's inside. Let's do it. Alright, so I gotta be careful. I don't want to even ruin the packaging. Have a look. Alright, first up is the most obvious thing. We've got the game. This is the Deluxe Edition, which includes a full season pass. That's right, you're going to get Rey Mysterio and Ronda Rousey, who were previously only available as a pre-order. But you're also going to get the Legends pack and everything else that comes in the season pass. It's going to save you money in the long run. What else have we got here? Anybody play Supercard? There's a special voucher for an AJ Styles card. Fantastic. Alright, game. Love it. Looks great on the shelf. Big collector. And AJ Styles is the cover boy. We love it. Alright, now we really want to see what the goodies are in this. Alright, so the first thing that I see looks like a watch or something. Alright, I'm going to open this baby up. Maybe it's a Rolex. Can I get a woo from the camera crew? Woo! Woo! There we go. Oh, I know exactly what this is. This is a replica Hall of Fame ring, guys. Hall of Fame Ric Flair sign. That's fantastic. Off goes the wedding ring. On goes the Hall of Fame ring. Woo! I wonder how much I can get for that ring. Alright, now something that I love. I'm a huge Funko Pop collector. And look at this, a WWE2k19 exclusive Ric Flair pop. Look at this baby. This is Ric Flair in his 70s glory. Fantastic. Okay, and finally, I'm excited to see what this is. Whoa. Look at this, guys. An actual piece of Ric Flair's robe. How amazing is that? So amazing, we need a woo! Woo! There we go, guys. Ric Flair is, of course, most famous for his fantastical robes that he wears to the ring. He's been doing so since the 70s, guys. Overall, this is a fantastic box set. It is exclusively available at Geekay Games, PlayStation 4, Xbox, your choice. This baby is coming straight home with me. So, special editions, collector's editions, we want to unbox them. We don't want the regular games. We want to show you the cool stuff that collectors love. That's what we're all about. So, until the next episode of QL Geeks Unboxed Edition, keep on geeking.